NS18 is one of the most exclusive spots that we have in our product portfolio. The NS18 is a trimless downlight, which means that you can basically not see the frame after it has been installed. When you pull out the insert, you will be able to see the frame. The frame will be installed in a way so you have the drilling hole and then you install the frame. Of course also the screws, there is 4, and then you do the paste. When you have done the paste, you will be able to paint and you will then not be able to see any frame. When all the installation has been done, you take the insert and you basically just click it directly into the frame like this. That means that you have an installation which is beautiful and of course also really simple to change the light source afterwards, because we have, as one of the only suppliers in the world right now, included a GU10 where you'll be able to change the light bulb really easy. When you want to change the light bulb, you just simply have a cup which you use it and click it out like this from the bottom, and then you will be able to change the light source GU10. The terminal box here is for 2 cables for each installation, and then we are of course also, for projects which is more complex, able to deliver the insert here with a COB like the LED, where you cannot change the LED, and the heatsink will be probably like this in the height. In that kind of way we'll be able to change the color temperature, use DALI DT8, Kasambi and so on. However, for the NS18 we are here talking about a really interesting luminaire with this as a standard design, and then we also have the other version with the tube where you can adjust the tube simply by doing it by your hand. NS18 for the project which is more unique and more interesting, so to say.